Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the Realme 10W wireless charger. So this is a Qi compatible wireless charger. Let's go through the box really quick. We have Realme branding, we have an image of the wireless charger itself on the front with Realme branding and 10W wireless charger branding. On the back we have 10W wireless fast charge, soft pad material, automatic device detection and 9mm extra slim body. For the price, the quoted price on the box is 1299 rupees, but it's available for 899 on Realme's website, and that's where I got it from. If you're interested in buying this product, I'll leave direct links from where you can buy in the description. You can use those links. So now that the seal is off, so here we have the wireless charger itself. We also have some documentation. So this is the quick start guide, Realme 10W wireless charger quick start guide, along with some instructions on how to use it and also what the LED status indication shows. So let's take it out from the plastic tray. This is the charger itself. Well, this is in fact quite slim and it feels really good and premium in the hand. Even though it's just 899 rupees, it feels actually quite good. I thought it would be some cheap plastic sort of a material, but this has kind of a fabric texture to it and it feels really soft. So we have some branding on the back, input 5V 2A and 9V 2A. We also get a USB Type-C cable to go along with it. And we need to supply a Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.2 or a 3.2 charger to enable fast charge on this. We'll keep the box to the side, and I have this 18W charger here, so we'll just connect it here, and the LED glows. Okay, let's place our phone and let's try. So this is the LG G7 ThinQ and it supports wireless charging. As you can see, the LED notification light is kind of glowing and it shows that yes, the phone is indeed charging wirelessly. Similarly, we can try this with a lot of TWS earbuds nowadays, and I have the Galaxy Buds Plus here, so we can try it with those as well. As you can see, it has started charging, so it does work the way it is advertised. And I feel for the price, it's a great charger, like especially the quality. I was not expecting such good quality from Realme at this price, but it has surprised me definitely. So that would be it guys for this video. This was the Realme 10W wireless charger. Links are there in the description if you're interested. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.